This is the Smith & Wesson SWTK-8 set of 6 Bullseye throwing knives. A cleverly designed, rugged black nylon belt sheath with individual protective pouches provides ready access and a handy home for the 6 blades of this handsome set of throwing knives. Cut from 2 CR13 stainless steel, tough enough to handle the high-impact hardness demanded of throwing knives. Each 4.7-ounce 8-inch spear point knife is precision cut for optimum balance and penetration. Each throwing knife wears the proud Smith & Wesson logo, also emblazoned in white stitching on the easily reloaded belt sheath. An adjustable Velcro strap keeps from 1 to 6 blades securely sheathed. A set of 6 throwing knives easily carried in a versatile belt sheath. The SWTK-8 Bullseye throwing knife set is a quality cutting tool designed for professionals.
From the Perfect Point throwing knife series of Master Cutlery, here we have 2 different items here. These first 3, the item number is RC1793. This second item, the same item number, but it is 3B, the B standing for the black finish. So you have your choice, black, satin, or you could pick up both. Each of these throwing knives is 8 inches in overall length and 4 inches in blade length. And you can see the very nice arachnid spider theme with these throwing knives. Yes, very nice little touch on that. And on this set, they are white on the black, so it shows up very well. Excellent little throwing knife sets. Both of these items come with their own nylon sheaths, which hold all 3 of the throwing knives in each set. It has heavy-duty, nice nylon sheath. You can see a little belt loop there. Velcro retaining strap. Overall, these are some excellent sets, and it would be great to get both sets. That way, if you're having a competition, your friend can take one color, you can take the other, and you can keep it all sorted out as to which throw, whose knife was from which throw. But overall, these are excellent throwing knife sets. For beginners, for experts, for anyone wanting to get into the sport of throwing knives. The Perfect Point series from Master Cutlery. From Master Cutlery, this is item number TK1143, a set of 3 throwing knives. Each knife is 9 inches in total length. Now, this is a great set because each knife is a different color. You have satin, you have black finish, and rainbow spectrum finish. This is great if you're having a little competition, a throwing knife competition among your friends, because each person can take a different color, and so you're not going to get confused as to whose which knife belonged to which thrower, so that's great. Your set of Perfect Point throwers comes with a handy nylon sheath. It is a triple sheath that holds the entire set, right? And it has a belt loop there, very sturdy nylon construction, retaining strap, the Velcro closure. Now these throwing knives, as you can see, they are well designed to be top heavy. All right, the blade length is about 5 1/2 inches, so the blade length is actually longer than the handle. As you can see, a classic, very pointed and top-heavy design allows for even beginners to easily stick this into a wooden target. A great set of 3 perfect point throwing knives, good for beginners or for experienced throwers. An excellent set of throwing knives for a master cutlery.
SZCO supplies heavy throwing knife set. At 10 inches in overall length, these knives are a little shorter than your standard competitive throwing knives. They make up for this by being a little thicker and sturdier than most. The knives have a simplistic and elegant profile that goes back to the basics. You can shape and file the steel down to the shape and size you'd like without too much difficulty. This also lets you get a throwing knife that's perfectly balanced to your requirements and to meet your technique. It's a 3-piece that comes with a robust and lightweight sheath that's pretty robust. You'll get ample protection for your knives and keep them in tip-top condition for longer. Overall, while these aren't very cheap throwing knives, they offer excellent value for money and simple but steadfast performance in the long run.